We are a dynamic print-on-demand brand that transforms home goods, clothing, and office accessories into fun and personalized expressions. Our mission is to empower individuals and families to showcase their unique personalities and spread joy through our thoughtfully designed products. Discover how we reimagine everyday essentials to bring creativity and individuality into your life. Whether you're a total beginner or just looking for a new way to earn income, this video will break down the exact steps you need to go from idea to launch. We'll cover everything from brainstorming your product, designing it, setting up your online store, and even how to make those first sales. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create and sell your first digital product online. So, if you're ready to start your digital entrepreneur journey, stick around and let's dive in. So, why should you consider digital products? One of the biggest reasons is passive income potential. Unlike physical products, digital items can be sold over and over again without you having to remake or ship anything. Once you set up your online store, your products can generate sales even while you sleep. There are countless possibilities, and the best part is, you only need to create your product once. In the next section, we'll talk about how to pick the perfect idea for your first digital product. Let's talk about the tools you'll need to create and sell your first digital product. The best part? Many of these tools are free, and you don't need any advanced tech skills. Canva is an incredible design platform that's perfect for beginners and professionals alike. You can start with the free version, which gives you access to thousands of templates for printables, wall art, ebooks, and more. If you want even more features and assets, Canva Pro is a great upgrade. To make your process even easier, you can use AI tools like Canva AI and ChatGPT. Canva AI helps you generate graphics, text, and layouts with just a few clicks. ChatGPT is perfect for brainstorming product ideas, writing descriptions, or creating content for your ebooks and templates. Now, let's talk about one of the most important steps: finding a profitable niche for your digital product. Start by checking out platforms like Etsy and Google Trends. On Etsy, search for digital products similar to what you want to create. Look for items with lots of reviews and sales. These are indicators of strong demand. Use Google Trends to discover what people are searching for right now. Type in keywords related to your product ideas and see if interest is going up, down, or staying steady. When choosing your niche, consider whether you want to create an evergreen product or a trending one. Evergreen products are always in demand, like planners, resume templates, or educational resources. They sell consistently over time. Trending products might spike in popularity for a short period, like seasonal printables or designs related to recent events. Both approaches can be successful, but starting with an evergreen product usually means more reliable, long-term sales. Now, let's get hands-on and create your very first digital product using Canva. I'll walk you through each step, so you can follow along and build your own printable or template. Step 1. Setting up your design. Start by logging into Canva and clicking Create a Design. For printables or templates, you might choose sizes like US letter, 8.5x11 in, or A4. Browse Canva's templates for inspiration, or start from scratch. If you're not sure where to start, try Canva's AI-powered tools. Type in keywords or a description of what you want, like monthly planner or budget tracker, and let Canva suggest layouts and elements. You can also use Canva's AI to generate text, like headings or prompts, making your design process even faster. Edit colors, fonts, and images to match your style or brand. Add text boxes, shapes, and icons as needed. Remember to keep things simple, clear, and user-friendly. Once you're happy with your design, export your product by clicking Share, greater than Download. Choose your file format: PDF for printables, JPG or PNG for wall art or graphics. If you're selling a fillable template, make sure to use the PDF print option for best quality. And that's it. You've just created your first digital product, ready to share or sell online. Now that your product is ready, let's put it up for sale. I'll show you how to set up your listing on two popular platforms, Etsy and Gumroad. If you haven't created your account yet, we're offering a special promotion. You can get 40 free listings by filling out our one quick question Google form. This offer only applies if your account is not yet created, so be sure to reach out before signing up. Step 1. Setting up your store account. On Etsy, create an account and open your shop. On Gumroad, sign up and click Add a Product. Step 2. Uploading your product. Add your product file, PDF, JPG, PNG, etc. Upload a cover image or preview to attract buyers. Step 3. Writing a catchy title and description. A great title and description make your product stand out. Use keywords people would search for, and be specific, for example, minimalist weekly planner printable. Tell buyers what's included, how they'll use it, and what makes it unique. Highlight benefits and include relevant tags. Step 4. Pricing strategies. Research similar products to see what's selling and at what price. For beginners, start with a competitive or slightly lower price to attract first buyers and reviews. Consider offering bundles, discounts, or limited time deals to encourage sales. Gumroad is a fantastic platform for selling digital downloads. It's simple to set up and easy to use. One unique feature is Gumroad's integration with X. By linking your Gumroad account with X, you can promote your products directly to your followers with automated posts, special offers, or even direct purchase links. This makes it easier to reach new customers and build your audience right where they already spend time online. Once your listing is live, share it on social media, in relevant groups, or to your email list to drive traffic. Let's wrap up with some quick marketing tips to help you drive traffic and make your first sales. Using social media to drive traffic. Social media is one of the most powerful tools for promoting your digital products. Share your listings on platforms like Instagram, X, Facebook, or Pinterest. Post behind-the-scenes content, product previews, customer testimonials, and usage tips to keep your audience engaged. Instagram allows users to create posts, stories, and reels to showcase your product. Collaborate with influencers or run a giveaway to reach new audiences. Add your shop link to your bio for easy access. X allows users to tweet about your product launch, share tips, or pin your product link to your profile. Join relevant conversations, use trending hashtags, and connect with potential customers directly. Don't forget to interact with your audience, answer questions, thank buyers, and ask for feedback. The more you show up online, the more visibility and sales you'll get. Congrats, you've just learned how to create, list, and market your first digital product online. Let's quickly recap what we covered. Why digital products are great for passive income. The essential tools you need to get started. How to find a profitable niche using quick research tips. Step-by-step guide to designing your product with Canva. Listing your product for sale on Etsy or Gumroad, including a special promotion for new Etsy sellers. Marketing tips to drive traffic and boost sales using social media. Now it's your turn. Start brainstorming your product idea and jump into Canva to create something amazing. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm always here to help. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Good luck with your new digital product journey.